I'm going to share an absolutely delicious and super quick recipe today, and it's the 15-minute chicken spicy noodles. I usually have these ingredients at home, and if you've got them, you might need some chicken, of course, but if you've got them, it really is 15 minutes to put this dish together. So I'm using ready udon noodles. So they come in these packets and they are pre-cooked. So one pack for a person. So I'm making 4 because it's 4 of us. That's 4 packets of ready udon noodles, and I'm just going to pour some boiling water on top just so it helps to separate them. I won't leave it to cook or anything because they're already cooked. And just with some chopsticks or a fork, just separate the noodles so that they are ready to soak all the lovely sauces. So once they are separated, I am going to drain these. And while they're still hot, I'm going to add a teaspoon of sesame seed oil and just mix it up. Like I said in the veg noodles, this stops it from sticking and also adds a lovely flavor. A nice hot pan and 2 to 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil goes in here. And then the cabbage. Going to cook this on high heat, so just going to let it get a little bit of color. And as soon as they begin to get a little bit of color, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of sugar and then continue to cook this. And here I have got 4 chicken breasts, so I'm taking 1 breast per person, and I'm going to try and cut them into as small pieces as I possibly can, just teeny tiny pieces, so that they cook in minutes. So this is looking lovely. I will continue to cook this, but I'm going to add 2 garlic cloves and a big piece of ginger. I'm going to grate it into the cabbage. And just cooking this on high heat. Add a teaspoon of dark soy sauce. And now going to add in our chopped up chicken pieces. And cook on high heat for a few minutes till our chicken's done. So exactly 5 minutes, and because the chicken pieces are so small, it's cooked through, and I'm going to add the sauces. Half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of chili sauce. Mix, and then goes in our noodles. And if you are looking for a vegetarian version, I'm making exact same thing but with mushrooms instead of chicken. And finish with a sprinkle of spring onions. And here it is, 15 minutes chicken noodles, and they are amazing. I can tell before I've eaten them. Well, this is my kids, one of my kids' favorite meals. So, yeah. Absolutely delicious. So easy. Ready in 15 minutes. Absolutely basic ingredients and utterly delicious. Hope you're going to try this. Let me know your thoughts on the recipe. Don't forget to subscribe. See you tomorrow for another new recipe. Bye for now.